Hello my little ones. Welcome children. Now let's do the recap of Swar with various examples through this video.
है और से होता है अचकन। से होता है अजगर और से होता है टेस्टी टेस्टी अमरूद। और क्या होता है? से होता है अनार और से ही होता है अनानास। अब ये कौन सा स्वर आया? ये है आ और आ से होता है आग और आ से होता है आलू और आ से होता है आम। और ये क्या आई? ये है आ से आरी।
Now children, we will learn various words of Swar E which you have to remember always. E से इडली, ई से इमली, ई से इंजन, ई से इमारत, ई से इलायची, ई से इत्र, ई से इंद्रधनुष। Children, you must have done the written practice of Swar E, but one more time we will be doing the same. Now children, I will teach you how to write E in 5 lines. So see here, in Hindi we write in 5 lines. This is pink line, 3 lines are blue and then the pink line. But we write the Swar and Vyanjan in 3 blue lines. First we will do the tracing of E. See children, small standing line, C curve, come till the first blue line, then take curve, again reverse C, go up, draw a circle, come down with slanting line, sleeping line on the top, that is Shiro Rekha. Now children, again we will trace the dotted lines. Standing line, C curve, reverse C, go up, make a circle, come down with a slanting line, and then sleeping line on the top, that is Shiro Rekha. Now children, we will write Swar E without dotted lines. We will be writing in 3 blue lines. See, standing line, small standing line children, then C curve till the second blue line, again reverse C till the third blue line, go up little bit, make a circle and come down with a slanting line. Your slanting line should not touch the red line, and sleeping line on the top, that is Shiro Rekha. Now one more time we will write. Standing line till the it will come, standing line will come, children, between two blue lines. Seeker till the second blue line, then reverse C till the third blue line, go up, make a small circle, come down with a slanting line, and Shiro Rekha. See, if you do the Swar E with different patterns, it would be easier for you, children. Children, completed the worksheet? Chalo. Now, here is the solution for the same worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to match those things which start with Swar E. A say am, you will not match. E say imli, you will match with Swar E. E say istri also, you will match with Swar E. U say ullu, you will not match as it starts with Swar U. A say almari also, you will not match as it starts with Swar A. E say imarat, you will match with Swar E as it starts with Swar E. Now children, I am confident that you must have done the worksheet in the same manner. Children, time to time, please revise various words of Swar E. Take care. Bye children.